Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for December. This month's theme is home for the holidays and the bags are so cozy and cute. First, let's take a look inside the Glam Bag. We have the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser, Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum, Benefit Porefessional Primer, the Beau Gachis Powder Brush, and the Cosmetic Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Now let's see what's inside the Glam Bag Plus. We have the Tula Skincare So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub, QMS Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream, Veriphy 2020 Eye Cream, Wander Beauty Skyliner Automatic Gel Eyeliner in Jet Black, and the Nomad Cosmetics Tuscany Eyeshadow Palette. Along with the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month, Ipsy also sent me a few extra goodies, including a 200-piece puzzle and a deck of cards, as well as their new face and body essentials called Refreshments. In this adorable bag, we have the Velvety Body Cream, Luscious Hand Cream, and Cleansing Face Wipes. Now that we've unboxed everything, I want to try out a few of the products we received. First, let's do some skincare and cleanse with the Murad Essential C Cleanser. It definitely smells like vitamin C. I love the Murad brand, and I actually already use their products in my nighttime routine, and I'm actually running low on the cleanser right now, so once I run out of that cleanser, I'm definitely going to replace it with this one. Now let's exfoliate with the Tula So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. This is an all-natural product free from phthalates, parabens, mineral oil, sodium lauryl sulfate, and formaldehyde-releasing agents. It's crazy to think that some products still have formaldehyde-releasing agents and all of that bad stuff. I actually really like this. It's left my skin feeling so smooth and smells amazing like papaya and pineapple. Next up, we have the QMS Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. This is supposed to be great for dry skin, so I'm excited to see how it feels. And so far, oh my gosh, it is so creamy and smooth. It's like instant hydration to the skin, honestly. So after trying this out and loving it, however, I've never heard of the brand before, and I checked the website and it's $140, so that's probably why I've never heard of this brand. It's definitely a luxury brand and it feels amazing on the skin though, so I definitely recommend picking this up if you have the ability to, or if you're signed up with Ipsy, if you can select this item, do it. Alright, so now we get to try out an eye cream. We did receive 2 this month, but I do want to go ahead and test out this Verify one for now. It's supposed to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness while brightening and nourishing the under eye area. It also happens to be $82, so we are definitely receiving some high-end products this month, and I'm not mad about it. Now that our face is clean and moisturized, let's go ahead and prime with the Benefit Porefessional Primer. I actually already own this, and I love it a lot. It's great for diminishing the appearance of pores. Now, I'm going to apply some makeup off camera, and then I'll be back to test out the rest, which just so happens to be all eye products. Let's start off with eyeshadow using the Nomad Cosmetics Tuscany palette. I've never tried this brand before, so let's see how it performs. First, I'm picking up the shade called Kentucky, and I am already noticing some kickback in the palette. I'm just applying this shade in my crease, and it is quite pigmented. Now I'm picking up the shade called Tartufo, and I'm just applying this to the outer V to give some depth to the look. I am getting a really nice blend with these eyeshadows, however there is some fallout, so I'm just going to wipe that away. Now I'm picking up this matte cream shade called Fleur de Latte, and I'm just placing that onto my lid, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone as well. Next up, we have the Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. I know a lot of people love this mascara. I'm actually wearing the Superhero eyeliner today, so this is a good fit for today. It's looking really good on the lower lashes. Now for the final product, I'm tightlining with the Wander Beauty Skyliner. This pencil is retractable and includes a built-in sharpener. I love how creamy and pigmented it is. The only downside is that it's not waterproof, however it does claim to be long-lasting. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for December. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing and try-on video. Let me know if you liked what you received in your Ipsy this month in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.